Welcome to Natural Remedies.
Before you start giving apples, make sure your baby is at least 6 months old and showing signs that he or she is ready for solids and cereals. Ingredients needed to prepare pureed apples for babies: a small steamer, dishes, food processor, storage containers. Instructions on how to make apple puree for babies. The recipe is pretty simple. Take 3 apples and wash them using clean water. Some apples tend to be acidic in nature. Look for the low-acid varieties that will be easier on his tummy. Dice the apple into small cubes before steaming and remove the skins. Place a big pan over low heat and place the diced apples in it. Pour over the water to completely cover the apples. Make sure the heat is not too high and keep it on low to medium. Cover the pan with a lid and let it cook on simmer for about 15 minutes. Remove the lid and see if the apples are completely tender. You should be able to insert a knife easily through the apple pieces, just the way you can insert it in a butter stick. Once you feel the apples are cooked, turn off heat and remove the apples from the heat. Carefully take out the apples and place it in a baby-proof bowl. Use a big spoon to mash the apples completely. As you do so, it will retain some of its juiciness and wateriness. Ta-da! Yummy apple puree is ready. Let it cool down to room temperature before serving it to your baby. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more health tips and recipes, please subscribe the channel.